Hello and welcome today to another tutorial. Today's tutorial will deal with the new help desk system, which we will be moving to rather soon. It's going to take the place of the current help desk system known as rWorks. This one is much more geared towards the technology field in general, whereas the other one was more of a generalized thing for buildings and grounds, I think. This one's much better. So without further ado, here is the new help desk system. This is the initial page you will be greeted by every time you go to log in. Your login will be your last name, and your password will also be your last name, at least until you change it. Here's the opening screen. Listed below, you'll see your tickets, which right now none of you will have any. And up here it says welcome and your name. To change your password, you're going to want to click on your name and click change password, and then choose a password of your liking. I would recommend either your login for your computer or for your email, one of those two, based on which one is easier to remember for you. Now I'll show you how to submit a new ticket. You would click on the New Ticket tab, obviously, right? And it pops up this window for a new ticket. Under Group, you would choose ATSD. Please do not choose any one of the other schools, otherwise your tickets will be sent to other schools. That would be slightly problematic. So choose one of the first two. Right now, we are only going to be using it for technology, I believe, for the moment. But we will probably be moving to buildings and grounds as well for certain requests and problems and things like that. But for today, we're just going to do technology. As you can see, it automatically populated your name and your location. And you can change your location to LDW if you're mostly LDW. But right now, for this person, obviously they could be at both places. So you definitely want to put in which place you're at the time that you put the ticket in, so we know, okay, it's at LDW or it's at AMS, whichever place the ticket's at. Next, you'll see ticket info and a category. The category is basically one of these things in this list, and you're going to want to choose the one that closest fits your issue, basically. So for now, we'll just do like a printer thing. And then category option is a subcategory of underneath printers and copiers. So say you need ink. So we'll just click on that. And down in the description, this you should treat like you're writing an email. So you'll do the subject like ink, please. And then under note, that would be the body of your email. So you want further description. For instance, I don't know, I need magenta ink right now. And then after that, you would submit a ticket. And it would show up right over here, owned by me, and we would also get a notification that you put a ticket in, and it would show up in our ticket queue. And then you just need to wait for us to show up. It's simple as that. You can also, if it's something other than ink and toner, you can also put an attachment in there with a screenshot, things like that, just like the other system, really. But that's basically it. You don't have to worry about resolution, because obviously it's unresolved, and you can't click on it anyway, so that's good. This will change depending on where we are in the resolution of the issue. So, but for the most part, it's probably not going to matter for you guys. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful, and hopefully you'll enjoy the new ticket system much more than the old one. Thanks, and have a good day.